Hello students, today we are going to study Introduction of Engineering Mechanics. Engineering Mechanics is the one of the basic subject for engineering students. Irrespective of branches, it develops the thinking and imaginative power of different students. See that engineering mechanics, it is useful for the development and as well as design of different bridges, towers, different infrastructure and different trusses. But before that, starting the introduction part of that engineering mechanics, what is science? Science is nothing but the systematic understanding and collecting of facts, laws and principles. Means Newton's first law, second law, third law. It is all about that understanding and collecting all that theorems as well as principles. But what is engineering? Engineering is means that art of utilization or application of these facts, laws, theorems to the real life problems, through which there is a creation of new system by way of research, design and development. And that engineering mechanics, it is the combination of that both science as well as engineering. Means in that engineering mechanics, there are the collecting of the different laws, theorem as well as principle, and there are the different numericals. To that different numericals, these theories, laws and principle is to be applied. Then what is mechanics? Mechanics is the nothing but it is a branch of that science. See, consider that one force which is acting on that block. That block, it is move on that either left side or right side after the application of that forces. See the another example, when that force is acting on that ball, this ball it is move on a forward direction. Means that engineering mechanics is the physical science which deals with the study of forces and their effect on bodies, whether the body it is in a motion or at rest condition. See that knowledge of that mechanics, it is essential for that engineer in planning, designing and construction of various types of structure like dam, bridges, trusses, all that. Now how we get that idea of that engineering mechanics? See, the bicycle moves down the street and carry us with a little effort on our part. Means if that force it is acting on that pedals of that bicycle, it is move on a forward direction. Means after that application of that forces, it can change that positions. That water falls from that height of dam that runs, it is the large turbines. See, the force is acting on that turbine. That turbine it is moves continuously and there is a formation of that electricity also. Now that engineering mechanics, it is divided into two types, statics and dynamics. Statics is what? That behavior of that body, the study of that behavior of that body when the body it is at a rest condition. And dynamic is what? That study of that behavior of that body, it is in a motion condition. Then that dynamic is divided into two types, kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics means what? That study of that forces and that behavior of that body under the application of load, but without considering the forces which causing the motion. And kinetics is what? It is that study of that behavior of that forces as well as body with consideration of all that forces which causing the motion. Now why that engineering mechanics is important? See that principle of that mechanics, it is important to research and the development of different fields, such as it is required for that calculations and design of that different vibrations, stability and the strength of structures. It is also required for that design of machines, robotics, rockets and spacecraft design. It also important for design of automatic control, engine performance, fluid flow, electrical machines and apparatus. And it is also important for molecular, atomic and subatomic behavior. It is also important for the designing portion of SOM. SOM is what? Strength of material, and TOM, theory of machines, vibrations and machine design. See, all that structures, it is depending on that type of load, and the calculation of load, it is done by using the engineering mechanics. Thank you.